So hello guys and welcome to my YouTube channel. Guys, one of you guys had comment me saying, Nakul, my question for you is, what should I study as a beginner? Like such was kind of a comment you had now, as you can see, and I will put the screenshot while editing, right? And now as you can see, by the way guys, from my opinion I would say, by the way, and yes, here I would say guys, subscribing my YouTube channel is considered good. So that is why before I dive in, I want you to please subscribe to my channel for more such kind of relevant content. Okay, so let's come into the point guys. From my opinion, I would say first you should learn parts of speech. Have you heard the name of parts of speech? Yes, this is a lesson on a grammar book, right? In grammar you will see in the front page, you will get to see the parts of speech chapter, and first you have to learn about parts of speech. And now here you might have a question, Nakul, actually in this subject you will get to learn about noun, like what is noun, such as noun, pronoun, adjective, verb, adverb, preposition, conjunction, and an interjection. So do you guys knowledgeable about them? If you guys don't study ever, so first my personal opinion is you should study about parts of speech, where you are gonna learn what is noun. Like noun, it means the name of a person, thing is called a noun, such as, right? Like my name is Nakul. Nakul, in the sentence Nakul is a noun, right? And such as pronoun. Instead noun you can say he, she, it, right? So means that is called pronoun. So that kind of sentences you have to learn, and there are lots of things you will get to learn. And yes, after this lesson you should learn tense. Yes, in tense what you have to learn, by the way, in tense you have to learn everything, I would say. But yes, the most important thing, that is present indefinite and past indefinite and future indefinite. That is most helpful, and that is most, by the way, it's very easy, but it's a complicated in other way, if I say, right? So that is why actually I see most of the person always stumble while speaking the present indefinite and past indefinite and even future a little bit, right? So that is why my personal opinion is, first you should learn parts of speech and then tense. But in tense, such as here, if I had a blackboard or whiteboard, I would have explained you in a better way. But please support me so that I can purchase in my first payment. Okay, so jokes apart, by the way guys, in tense, at least first you have to understand the structure of present indefinite. What is it? Present indefinite structure is subject plus verb plus object. So if you guys don't know about parts of speech, then you guys can't construct any sentences by using present indefinite, such as subject plus verb. So before you move on to making any sentences by using the structure, first you have to knowledgeable about parts of speech. So for example, here as you can see the structure, subject plus verb plus object. So before you making any sentence by using the structure, first you have to understand the meaning of S, right? What is the meaning of subject? And then what is the meaning of verb and object? What is these are? So if you are knowledgeable about everything, then you should move on to making any phrases, right? So that's how you should move forward one by one structure, right? And in tense there are three parts, like present, past, and future, and in each tense it has four structures. And in structures, but also you have to know how to construct structure first. Guys, actually I am struggle to speak this kind of sentences, so what should I? Actually someone was passing by me, so that is why I stop recording and again I start. So as I told you, first my suggestion is you should knowledgeable about parts of speech first, and then you have to study about tenses, as I told you right now, right? And then one more thing that you should remember always, guys, Whatever you study, while studying, you have to speak those words or phrases loud out as much as you can, right? Because at the end, here I would say, guys, reading will come by reading, and writing will come by writing, and speaking will come only by speaking, right? So even after knowing everything, if you guys don't follow this, so no one can teach you English, right? So that is why please do whatever I told you to do. So that's all for today. By the way, I am not feeling comfortable talking in this context of videos, right? So that is why. So that's all for today. By the way, day by day I am gonna increase my fluency in this context. So that is why if you have any question, you can ask me, right? Okay, so that's all for today, and bye bye.